yeah, let's get into it, man. So we're gonna start just tearing it apart. And we should be good to go from here on out now to pull this. No damages anywhere that I could tell. We're gonna take off these two pistons now, lined up and everything. Make sure everything's good and balanced and polished up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be disassembling the old GSR motor that I had on the CRV. I'm just gonna prep it, get ready to go to. I might have something I might have coming, so just want to freshen it up, put the new head gasket on it, and then I'm gonna tear apart the bottom end too, make sure the bearings look solid too and everything, and refreshing everything, put all new seals and gaskets and go from there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and be doing that while I figure out how I could find a good vicious coupler for the rear end. That way I got the plates already in, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this meanwhile, keep us going, and yeah, let's get into it, man. So we're gonna start just tearing it apart. Right here it is. I'm working inside today because it is cold outside like crazy, so just gonna go start, take off the valve cover, remove the side. I think I already had removed the belt, if I remember correctly. The belt was already removed, so then I just gotta pull out all the head and go from there. Once you remove the valve cover, pretty much removing these guys right here, because the head bolt is right below it. So just go through, do them all at a time. So remove all these. Make sure to put these all back in the same position. Usually it helps. And make sure you don't misplace the main caps too. So yeah, let me finish this up real quick and then go from there. Cut those off. I'll put right there. Next are these guys right here, all the cam caps. Put them in order, same thing as well. And then we'll start pulling off those hits that's out. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so we got the ARP nuts off, so they all should be off now. We got the cover off on this side, and we should be good to go from here on out now to pull this off. Let me check this other side real quick. Pretty sure that's all we have left. Yeah, this is off right there. All that's off right there. Yeah, we should be good to pull off now. Alright guys, so loosen up all those ARP head studs too, I guess. So it doesn't want to be nice and come out the other way. Oh, it's stuck on the gag. There it is. I think that's all. Oh, we got one more. So these things use a 3/16 for the ARP head studs. That last one. There we are. So let's see, we should have 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 nets on there as well. And we need, so we got 3 washers, so we gotta look for a couple more. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, head should be good to go now. Let's try this again. Here's the head gasket. Little there. Probably that's where it was coming out of. Flip it over to the other side. Yeah. There it is. Right there. Yeah, this thing was blown. So, ooh, look at that inside. There's the head. Has a lot of buildup everywhere. But we'll go ahead and take care of all that stuff, clean it all out real good. Still haven't decided what I'm gonna do, but yeah, everything else in here looks pretty decent. It doesn't seem like there's any crack or anything on there anywhere. So yeah, that head gasket failed. So so far, heads look still good. No damages anywhere that I could tell. So let's clean it up and hope for the best. But I think, yeah, where's that gasket at? On that one cylinder for sure. It was leaking from that one. Right there. Right here. You have no seal there. Nothing left there. So, yep. There it is. Maybe just get a new head gasket. Put it all back together and send it. But, yeah, let's go ahead and clean this off. And check the bottom end to make sure that's solid as well. All right, guys, so here we are with the block. We went and got the oil pump off, and we got the rear main seal off. Here's what that looks like down here. Not bad at all. So we're looking good so far. Not too much damage from what we could see. Still pretty clean. And let's go ahead and take off these pistons off. So here it is, guys. We got the middle girdle off. You got these two. Crank looks still pretty solid. Polish that bad boy right up and reuse it. So we still got to take off. We're going to take off these two pistons now. and we'll take out the remaining and pull up the crank. Now we get it all lined up and everything, make sure everything's good and balanced and polished up. But so far so good. All right guys, so there we have it. It's fully off. Crank still looks decent. Then we're gonna go ahead and reuse it. And other than that, everything else looks good still on this thing. Normal wear and tear, but yeah, I think crank's still good to go. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just pull that out and get all the block ready to go. All right guys, so that's it for tonight's video. Pretty soon we got a couple of videos that we're going to be doing some pulls with the CRV. So you guys get to see how it's all running, how it loses control, all that crazy stuff. So we got that. We got another video dropping too of how much I ended up spending to get it to where it's at right now, and how much more I have to do to get it to where I want it to. But thanks for the support, guys. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe the video, and we will see you on the next one.